All right, you guys. So we about to do this review on this new nail drill. Well, efile that I purchased. If you remember, I think it was a few years ago, I bought the Melody Susie dupe that had the foot pedal, and my handle to it broke off. Not handle, my. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This piece of the efile stopped working. So it has like a shortage in it, so it'll work and then it'll stop and work as you're working. So I just, started buying new drill efiles. If y'all notice, I got plenty of them now because that was the only one I had at the time. And I had these little play ones, the little pink ones that you can buy off of AliExpress and things like that were awful. But I had those, and of course I didn't like those, but I loved that Melody Susie dupe, and it was called Airsee. And I have a video in my playlist as well about it. But I found this, and it has a pedal. And I was like, okay, I have to get it. I have to get it because I really do miss my pedal, my foot pedal while I'm working, because it makes it so much easier. So this one, I was trying to find the name of it, but I don't see it. But this came off of Amazon, and I think it was $20-something. Come on. Get this box to stay open. Okay, hold on. So this one, the cord is actually attached to it. The other one, let's get this out this box, y'all. Hold on. All right, so that was a struggle trying to get it out, but I got it out. All right, so no name, like I stated. That's the box. Put that in here. And this is it. I think it was like 20. It'll be in the description, guys, of what it was. But this one, the cord is actually attached to it. My other one, like the Airsee and the Melody Susie, the cord isn't attached. You have to plug it up yourself. Then it comes with these 4 sanding bands and a mandrel, 1 sanding band, and then 3 bits, which I won't ever use these. I probably use the mandrel, but I have plenty mandrels. The foot pedal, what I purchased it for, because I really don't need any more drills, but you guys know when I see something, I'm like, okay, let me just try it, grab it. All right, so compared to my Airsee one, and I may do a comparison video, but my Airsee one is in my closet. If you guys see my office, you'll know why I don't want to have to go through that, because I have so much stuff, so much stuff. But this is really cute, and it doesn't, see, my other one doesn't have a prong like this. I found I wanted just to replace this on my old one, my Airsee one. I just want to replace this, but this cost, I think it was like $40-50 for this, because the piece right here is totally different. If you can see, this is like this. My other ones has the 3 little silver prongs that just sticks up. Awesome drill, but I'm like, I don't want to pay that when I could just buy a whole nother drill. And maybe I should have just bought another one, but let's get this in here, guys. I'm always, it has a little slide down thing. Got it. All right, and this just plugs up. Okay, now let's plug it up here how it sounds. Get this out, push this back so y'all can see. Cute little drill. I like the colors. Y'all see, that's why y'all see me stop and just come back, because I be thinking this is a waste of time doing some of this stuff while I'm getting prepared. Okay, the foot pedal's plugged. And you guys, maybe just go ahead and switch this over if it's right. But you see how it lights up. Let me see if I can turn this off. That is cute. I like that. I like that effect. Okay, I'm not going to use that. Let me get the mandrel off of this one. Like I told y'all, keep these pieces. Do not, unless you're going to keep mandrels and you have multiple mandrels, then you don't have to even worry about these, because you could just, still keep them, because you may be traveling somewhere or whatever, but just keep them just so you don't ever have to leave your e-file without a bit in it, so dust doesn't get into it. Okay, so let's start. And this is 35,000 RPMs. This goes up to 35,000 RPMs. How in the world do I turn it on? See, maybe I should have read the manual. Oh, you got to push it in. Okay. So, to turn it on and turn it off, you have to push the button. Oh, hold on. Oh, this is the pause. Oh, so it's touchscreen in the front. This is pause. Pause. And this is forward, reverse. All right. And you can also use it without the foot pedal. If you take it off, let's see. Okay. So without the foot pedal, it pops up and shows you that you're using your hand. It shows hand. So you would have to do this and all that. But when you put the foot pedal in, it lets you know once you push the pedal. Let me see if I can. When the foot pedal plug is plugged in. I just went to reverse. I'm sorry, y'all. But either way, I'm not using it. But, I'm not using it, so it doesn't matter whether it's in forward or reverse. But when you plug in the foot pedal one, it lets you know on the screen that, okay, you have foot pedal. So the only way it's going to begin to run is when you hit the foot pedal and it stops. If you don't want to use the foot pedal, take it out and unpause it. And it will go to hand. And then you would have to pause and unpause like that. Versus when you're using a foot pedal, all you're doing is pushing now. As long as your foot is on this pedal, it's going to run. The second you lift your foot up, it stops. That's what I love, because this pedal, I understand this is old school and a lot of people don't like it. To me, cordless is better, but you still have to push the button to stop and all that to stop the drill or whatever. But for this just to not even have to do with your hand, like you're literally using your foot to just push down and go. And as I'm doing, all I have to do is put the e-file down and start on whatever else I'm doing. I don't have to pause and hit this and no. But the cordless rechargeable charger e-files are probably easier than one that's a hand one where you gotta actually stop what you're doing and go to the machine and hit it. In my opinion, saves just that little bit of time. But we're gonna do a set soon using this drill just to see how it compares to the Airsee one. And if I have time, I'll go in and get the Airsee one out of my closet. It's in there with a bunch of other LED lamps. It's in there with other files, other e-files. All those are in there. Like, I literally have so much stuff, guys. That's why I like doing giveaways, because I have so much stuff. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As soon as we get to 500, we're giving away our first gift. Don't know what it is. We may even do a vote on what we should give away. But, guys, one more time. Let me let y'all hear it at 35,000. All right, now this beeping might get on my nerves, but let's hear it at 35,000. And it has the air holes in it. Not too loud. See the vibration on it. It's got a little vibration to it now. Oh, you guys, look what I just noticed. Hold on. Look at the lights around it. Let me see if that has something to... Okay. So it starts, the higher you go is how the lights go. That's a cute little feature. I like it. I don't know. All right. So Y'all, I gotta get used to this one. I'm just pressing buttons and I might be doing something wrong. But yeah, and plus it has the little bit holder on the side. If you ever use those, I never use it. I always use these. And this is normally full, but I had a full day of clients today and yesterday, and I'm low. But as you can see on my other one, I never use those holes at all. I don't see the purpose of it because it does not keep my bits clean. Alrighty, so this is that. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.